Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024 Top 10 Winning Tips, Round 2 Step-by-Step Guide for Round 2. You can check the other video for Round 1 on the video and Round 2 for IND. And this video shows the details guide and tip for Round 2 marketing part. I show you the details now, right? So you check the, now you see the screen of marketing for Round 2, right? So for Round 2 it's quite simple. You can just reduce the price by 50 cents and then you can get the most of competitive the price. I show you the details, right? So if you see on the screen, team B here is having the top sale and top profit after round 1, and then you can check the other segment here, right, to see the price of top selling, right? Price of top selling. So here you see that we have the top selling price in the B. Here the top selling, right? Top selling product. Here also that top selling in the first traditional low end and high end, and now the performance, you see we also have the top sales here, right? So that's why we set the first round price very important. In round 2 you just reduce the price 50 cents to maintain competitiveness. You can use a strong promotion and sale for traditional and low end because they account for nearly 70% total, or 70% of market share. And now most important part of round 2 is to calculate the sales forecast. You see you can use this report, the production analysis, and see team B here. You use the team B data here, the unit result, you can see that column 3, and inventory is column 4. We can use this number and calculate using the Excel files here for round 2. So we copy and paste the number here for unit result, last round, and inventory, and also the segment growth here and demand here based on the unit result, and we can have the sales forecast here. You can add about 10 to 30% to keep some reserve to avoid being stock out, and input the number here for the marketing, right? So that's overview and details guarantee for round 2 marketing part. If you have any questions, send the email to mbahealth2002@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2 to get the top result. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.